everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to remove all tagged photos on Facebook at once using a simple step-by-step method. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app and tap on the menu icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then open Settings. This is where all your account controls are located. Next, scroll down to the Activity section and tap on Activity Log. Here, go to your Facebook activity and then select Manage Tags under the section called Posts You're Tagged In. Now you'll see all the posts you've been tagged in. To remove everything at once, tap on Select All, or the All option, which highlights every tagged post. After that, tap on Remove Tags and confirm the action when prompted. Facebook will now remove all your tags from those selected photos and posts instantly. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to remove all tagged photos on Facebook at once. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Facebook tips and step-by-step tutorials.